And various catfish delicacies will again be featured in this year's 9th Pantatan Festival in Davao City. For the here's Angel Deliera.
As the 3rd and 4th of October arrives, under Kapitan Santander's supervision, a yearly celebration of the Pantatan Festival, otherwise known as the Catfish Festival, is feasted upon by residents, some of the LGU, and as well as tourists. This is the 9th celebration of Davaoenos of Los Amigos in Tugbok District, and they are eager to get a taste of the famous catfish. It is not only when fried or simmered in cocoa milk that makes it exquisite, but mostly when it is cooked in adobo, grilled, and with their new form of cooking technique, it can also be turned into hito cracklings or chicharon, hito fried rolls or lumpia, and of course into hito siomai. With their meticulous way of preparing the delicacy, it's no wonder why it is sought after by catfish fans and curious individuals. According to Kapitan Santander, who is a known hito grower and owner of the Santander food chain, with the help of LAACPO, DAR, DA, and BFAR, the catfish industry was established and maintained and is now becoming a key potential to the agriculture business of the country.
Ina-expect natin na marami ang mag-join sa ating celebration sa 9th Pantatan Festival. Ito kasi ngayon, initiative lang talaga ng mga hito growers talaga. No? Of course, ang participation ng moral support na lang sa mga agencies. So at least kaya na ng mga growers sa hito na sarili na talaga.
Paglago ng industriya, kahit na sa minimum na tulong galing sa ating pamahalaan, dahil alam naman natin na ito ay initiative ng community, kaya nga napaka-sustainable itong initiative. Kasi ako ay isang saksi dito dahil ako ay nung inumpisan itong industriyang ito, dito na ako nakatira hanggang sa paglago nito.
Kapitan Santander also encourages viewers to try their sumptuous catch of African hito with various ways of preparation in their next year's Pantatan Festival.
Lahat ng mga bisita natin, lahat ng mga nasa labas na gustong ma-witness, at gusto rin makatikim ng hito sa Los Amigos, welcome po kayo lahat.
For People's Television, Angel Pizarro Deliera.